Hello, is your computer running slow or using too much RAM even when you are not working? Unnecessary background apps might be draining your system resources. Here is how to disable background app permissions in Windows 11. Click on your Start menu icon at the bottom of the screen and open the Settings Gear app. On the left sidebar menu, click on the Apps tab. On the right side panel, click on Installed Apps at the very top of the list. Scroll through your installed applications to find background-heavy apps like Mail, Weather or Cortana. Click the three horizontal dots icon on the far right side of the app row and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Background Apps Permissions section. Click the drop-down menu under Let this app run in the background and change it from Always to Never. Repeat this for any non-essential apps to free up system memory instantly. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.